in this video, section 7.2, basic linear systems. So we'll start off with a nice simple system of two linear equations. We will have two variables, y and x, and our two equations will be 3y plus 2x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Now, the problem is we can't solve, say, in this equation for both x and y at the same time. This equation is solved for y, but it's not solved for x. So we need to use the two equations together to find a solution for both variables. What one variable is equal to does not cut it. We need to know what x is equal to and what y is equal to. So, like I said, this equation is solved for y. It's y is equal to. Sure, it's in terms of x, but it's still y is equal to. Here's why. I can make a substitution. So I would have 3 times whatever y is, 5 minus 2x in this case, plus 2x is equal to 7. Then we can go ahead and distribute this 3. So we'll have 15 minus 6x plus 2x is equal to 7. 15 minus 4x is equal to 7. And from here on, we know how to do this. We've done this. A little bit of inverse reverse now. So minus 4x is equal to a negative 8. X is equal to a positive 2. But we're not done yet. We still need to know what y is. So I'm going to take this value for x, plug it all the way up back in there for this x, and I'll figure out what y is. Y is equal to 5 minus 2 times x, which is 2. Y is equal to 5 minus 4, so y is 1, and x was 2. And these two values are our solution, both of them. If we wanted to, we might express them as an ordered pair. And graphically, this would be where the two lines represented by these two equations cross at this point. Let's take a look at another system. We will have 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. And our other equation will be 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. Always have to have the brace to let whoever's looking at your work know that you're solving this as a system. This is really interesting in here. Minus 2y plus 2y is equal to 0. So what I want to do is I want to take these two equations and just add them together. If this is equal to that, this is equal to that, I'm adding the same on the left-hand side, the same value, say 3, as I am on the right-hand side. I'm adding 9 on the right-hand side, I'm adding 9 on the left-hand side. So these two guys will still be equal. 2x plus 3x, that's 5x. Minus 2y plus 2y, that's 0 y's. And it's equal to 15. Now I'm just going to solve for x. And that'll be x is equal to 3. And what we did right here is we eliminated y. And that's very important whenever you're adding like this. We went from an expression or an equation with two variables to one that just had a single variable, x. But we're not done yet. We still need to find y. So let's take this value we got for x and plug it back into one of these equations. Which one doesn't matter. I'm going to go for the second one because y is positive. So we'll have 3 times whatever x is, in this case 3, plus 2y is equal to 9. So 9 plus 2y is equal to 9. 2y is equal to 0, which means that y is 0, and x is 3. And that's our solution. Okay, that's it for section 7.2. Thanks.